اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful. Alif Lam Ra, tilka ayatul kitabil mubin. Alif Lam Ra, these are individual letters of the Arabic alphabet. Allah and His Messenger know their exact meanings. These are the verses of the luminous book. Inna anzalnahu Qur'anan Arabiyyan la'allakum ta'qilun. Indeed, we have sent it down as an Arabic Qur'an, that you may understand. نحن نقص عليك أحسن القصص بما أوحينا إليك هذا القرآن وإن كنت من قبله لمن الغافلين. We relate to you that the best narrative because we have sent the revelation of this Quran to you, although you were indeed unaware before this, mean our informing you about. إذ قال يوسف لأبيه يا أبت إني رأيت أحد عشر كوكبا والشمس والقمر رأيتهم لي ساجدين. Remember when Yusuf alayhi salam said to his father, "O my father, I saw 11 stars and the sun and the moon. I saw them prostrating to myself." قال يا بني لا تقصص رؤياك على إخوتك فيكيدوا لك كيدا إن الشيطان للإنسان عدو مبين. He said, "O my son, do not reveal your dream to your brothers, that they will devise a plot against you. Indeed, Satan is an open enemy of mankind." وَكَذَلِكَ يَجْتَبِيكَ رَبُّكَ وَيُعَلِّمُكَ مِن تَأْوِيلِ الْأَحَادِيثِ وَيُتِمُّ نِعْمَتَهُ عَلَيْكَ وَعَلَى آلِ يَعْقُوبَ كَمَا أَتَمَّهَا عَلَى أَبَوَيْكَ من قبل إبراهيم وإسحاق إن ربك عليم حكيم. And this, how your Lord will choose you and teach you how to interpret, means dreams, and will complete His favors upon you and upon the family of Yaqub alayhi salam, the way He completed it upon both your forefathers, Ibrahim and Ishaq alayhi salam. Indeed, your Lord is all-knowing, ever-wise.